Hello, YouTube. I am Eli the Fatigued. I'm streaming on Twitch, as I do with all my content. We're playing Cataclysm Dark Days Ahead with our Chun mutant. Had a few hiccups at the beginning of the stream, but we're getting started now, which is good. Hope everyone's doing alright. Both those that are watching the stream and those that are watching the video. Alright. Where were we? We just got back from a trip. I remember that much. Take out earplugs. What do we want to do? Might as well finish up our books, honestly. We're gonna finish reading the books. Maybe go get that prison bus. I don't need the... No, I don't need the... I don't need the... I'm saying tempered glass, hardened glass in my head, but that's not what it is. The heavy-duty glass windshield and all that. I don't need that right now. I will need that, but not right now. So... Let's see. We got the kitchen buddy, from what I remember. Got that going. Um, need another military vehicle to take parts off of. That's for sure. Hmm. Trying to think. Might see about trying to do some bionics. I just don't have very many bionics on me. And also there's not very many labs around. Don't think you can get bionics from doctor's offices, right? Don't correct me if I'm wrong, because I could be wrong. Granted, by the time this YouTube episode comes out, I'll have been given an answer by someone. This episode's not coming out for probably a couple months. I've been playing so much Cataclysm lately, it's crazy. Let's get our healthcare up. That's definitely a good one to... Definitely a good one to level up. Nice. Something. Some BLT. BLTs sound good. Oh, BLT does actually sound good right now. Veggie pizza, not so much. Some CBO. Electric, kinetic, taste, and... Interesting. I don't think I've ever used that one. That's cool. Alright. Let's see. Robots for fun and profit. That's a good one. I like getting electronics higher. I could get my computers to 10, that'd be nice. Honestly, the robots for fun and profit should probably increase electronics and computers. Not Shift T, I want Shift R. Sorry if I groan or moan in pain. I apologize in advance. I'll try to mute myself when I do. Shifting positions. I was gonna get really sore. I'm gonna put an ice pack on my knee here in a little while. That would be smart. Here. Yikes, Rooney. Not generally one to scream in pain. I try to make fun of my pain. No, keep it. You're almost there. Yay. Alright, now you can sleep. After eating some more veggie pizza. Nom nom nom. Some water. Alright. Now go to sleep. For however long. It's 5 a.m. Probably gonna sleep till midnight. Only I could sleep like that in real life. Oh my gosh. Sleep for 24 hours in real life, that would be amazing. I know it's not 24 hours, 5 to midnight, but I'm saying, like, what if you could sleep for 24 hours? That's awesome. Great. I'm definitely on the spider path. I'm not happy about that. I don't want to be a spider. I only slept for till 3 p.m. Like 10 hours? I don't know. If I was dead tired, I'd sleep for longer than 10 hours. I don't know, whatever. Liver and scraps of meat. See what we can make with the liver. There we go. Fortunately, stuff still did rot. Keep forgetting to make my granola. Look at all that maple syrup. That's from that sugar house that we went to, or that I passed by and realized was a sugar house. Apples. Just keep making granola for a while. Oh, I want a granola bar now. Granola bar sounds really good right now. Maple pie. No, I've mentioned this before. I could really go for a pecan pie. Oops. Accidentally went to obese. So, what, we don't eat for like a week or something? Yeah, good enough. I just won't eat for like a week. I have been eating a lot of calorie-dense foods, to be fair. In-game, I mean. Partly because I wanted to get rid of stuff that was feeling, bad. Alright, so read some more books. Then I'm trying to think. I've been trying to think this whole time. I want to read some more books for sure. And went to that Elmo East shelter. What else is there to look? Military outpost in the middle of the forest. No thanks. I didn't go to that military outpost. I'd have to drive around a long way to get that. I think our next goal. Maybe I will bring down that prison bus. Yeah. I do want. I didn't bring a motorcycle, did I? No. Did I find a motorcycle? I feel like I found a motorcycle somewhere. Oh yeah, it's out of gas though. That's right. It's up here somewhere out of gas. So I'll grab a jerry can, some gasoline, run up there, grab that motorcycle, bring down the prison bus, then I'll see about modding that motorcycle out to my liking. That sounds good to me. Upgrading healthcare. Okay. Ooh, that one hurt a lot. Sorry, I'm glad I muted myself for that. Oh, okay. Tailoring. Tailoring's good too. Excuse me, sorry. Louder yawn than I. We're definitely getting to books that don't matter as much. Probably remember to drink water. Because water's kind of important. Just a bit. My microphone closer to me so you guys can actually hear me. Oh. Okay. Whew. I am probably only going to stream for a couple hours tonight. Let's see. I want to find an unarmed weapon. I know that makes no sense the way I said it, but a weapon that works in conjunction with unarmed martial arts, such as Wing Chun. Estes. Survivor Fighting Gauntlet. That's new. Excuse you? I went to favorite, not... What? Favorite it, sorry. If I remember right, Tiger Claws are really... the Cestus is good, the Razor Bar Qatar is not the greatest. YouTube, let's go ahead. I apologize. YouTube, I'm gonna go ahead and end the episode. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to like, comment, and or subscribe if you enjoyed any dimension of this episode. And we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.